Building Blocks of Geometry, Lesson 1, Video 6. Given this cube in space, let's look at intersection points of the following lines and planes on the figure. So where is the intersection of line GK, so I'm going to change that to red, line GK and line LG. GK is right here, and LG is right here. Where do those two lines intersect? And that would be at point G. Next, planes GLM. GLM is this plane, and LPN, LPN is this plane. Where do they intersect? They would intersect at line LM, again with the proper notation. But since it stops, you could in this case just say LM with a line segment above it, but it actually is describing lines, but it's not a big deal at this point. But that is where they intersect, so right here. Okay? Line KP, oops, sorry, I'll put that in red again. KP is right here. And plane KJN. KJN is this plane. Where do they intersect? They share this right here. So line KP, described as KP with a line above it. And again, you could use line segment notation here if you want to, because it does actually stop. And you could change the order of the letters. Alright, basic geometric notation. Congruent segments. So here's some symbols in notation. Congruent is the equal sign with a squiggly line above it. In geometry, I could have a segment with a line in the middle of it telling you that it's going to be equal to another segment. So this right here tells you that those two segments are of equal length. Congruent angles, again, same notation. In geometry you would see, I'd give you two angles, and the way you would know by notation in the pictures that they're equal, you would have the same number of arcs. Parallel, two vertical lines next to each other, is the symbol for that. And if I give you two lines, the way you tell on the picture if they are parallel is I would have a little arrow in the middle of it telling you that they are the same, that they are parallel to each other. And perpendicular looks like an upside down capital T, and again on graphs or on pictures that would be shown by a little box. And this ends Lesson 1, Video 6.